KOHO and PayPal, frenemies or best buds? Ever since KOHO burst onto the scene, Canadians have been raving about its features, the sleek app, the fee-free everyday banking, the sweet cashback rewards. But there's one lingering question that keeps popping up. Can you use KOHO with PayPal? This online payment giant has become so ingrained in our digital lives. We use it for everything from online shopping to sending money to friends. So, the thought of not being able to seamlessly integrate KOHO with PayPal can be a real deal-breaker for some. Well, fret no more, because today we're diving deep into the world of KOHO and PayPal, uncovering the secrets of their compatibility, or lack thereof, and exploring some clever workarounds. Buckle up, financially savvy friends, because this is about to get interesting. Understanding KOHO, the prepaid powerhouse. KOHO isn't your traditional bank account. It's a prepaid Visa card with some serious perks. You get a mobile app to manage your finances, make secure transactions, and even earn cashback on purchases. Think of it as a streamlined and tech-driven way to manage your everyday spending. Here's the catch: since it's a prepaid card, KOHO doesn't have its own banking network. This means you can't directly link it to PayPal or other online platforms that require direct bank account connections. So, can you use KOHO with PayPal? The not-so-straightforward answer. Alright, this is where things get a little tricky. There isn't a simple yes or no answer. Technically, you can't directly add your KOHO card to your PayPal account. But fear not, there are a couple of clever workarounds you can try. Workaround number 1, the direct deposit dance. This method relies on a little trickery with direct deposits. Here's the plan. Head over to your KOHO app and find the direct deposit section. You'll see your account information, including your routing number and account number. Now, log into your PayPal account and navigate to the bank account settings. Look for the option to add a bank account and enter your KOHO direct deposit details. Here's the magic part. PayPal will likely send 2 tiny micro deposits to your KOHO account to verify its legitimacy. Once you see these deposits reflected in your KOHO app, head back to PayPal and enter the exact amounts. This confirms that you have control over the KOHO account. Hold on, there's a caveat. While this method allows you to link your KOHO with PayPal, you won't be able to transfer funds directly from KOHO to PayPal. This trick only verifies your KOHO account for using PayPal's balance or a linked bank account as the funding source. Workaround number 2, the debit card shuffle. This option is a bit more straightforward but comes with its own limitations. Here's the deal. If you have a debit card from another bank account, you can link that card to your PayPal account as your primary funding source. Whenever you need to make a payment on PayPal, you can simply top up your KOHO card using the linked debit card. Remember, some debit cards might charge transaction fees for topping up prepaid cards like KOHO. So, be sure to check your bank's policy before diving in. KOHO and PayPal. While there's no perfect solution, both workarounds can help bridge the gap between KOHO and PayPal. The direct deposit method lets you use your PayPal balance for transactions, while the debit card shuffle keeps your KOHO account topped up for seamless online spending. The bottom line, choosing your financial path. Ultimately, the decision of whether to use KOHO with PayPal depends on your financial habits. If you heavily rely on direct transfers between accounts, KOHO might not be the best fit. However, if you prioritize fee-free everyday spending with cashback rewards, KOHO shines. Remember, you can always have the best of both worlds. Keep a traditional bank account for situations requiring direct transfers and use KOHO for everyday purchases to maximize your financial benefits. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time, keep crushing your financial goals.